This video will demonstrate the installation of the rear seal kit. The rear seal kit is a tubular shaped brush designed to seal off the rear hinge line of a loading dock. The rear seal kit provides the tightest and quickest retrofit seal available. Each kit includes everything you need for a simple installation. Each kit includes 2 brush sections, 6 mounting clips, and the patented clip installation tool. Before beginning any work on the loading dock, post a safety barricade around the work area and be sure to follow all lockout/tagout procedures. To install the clips, use the special clip tool and install the clip into the clip holder portion of the clip tool. Then simply lower the clip and the tool down into the rear hinge line and pull up slightly to lock the clip onto the rear angle. Clips are placed at 6 positions across the rear angle. Make sure each brush is evenly supported by 3 clips. With the clips in place, we can prepare the brushes for installation. Bend both ends of the brush at a 90-degree angle and then insert the brush so that it seals approximately half of the leveler hinge line. Try to work from one side to the other to make sure it's in there evenly. And then repeat the process for the other brush. The brushes are evenly supported by the clips, making an effective seal. This will prevent air loss and also the intrusion of bugs or rodents into your dock space. We hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.